I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce. In the previous lecture, we have seen the topics on endorsement of bill and bill sent to bank for collection. Today's lecture topic is renewal of bill and its accounting treatment in the books of Drawer and Roy. Alternate accounting treatment when interest is paid in cash immediately. Retirement of bill under rebate, its accounting treatment, and finally, insolvency of Drawer and its accounting treatment. A bill of exchange is a written order binding one party to pay a fixed sum of money to another party on demand or at the some point in the future. Renewal of bill of exchange. A renewal of bill of exchange is an act in which an old bill is cancelled before maturity in return for a new bill, including interest for an extended period. It is performed by a drawer at the request of a drawee. It may so happen that the drawee realizes that he will be unable to pay the amount of bill to the drawer on the maturity date. In this case, he may request the drawer to cancel the old bill. When the drawer agrees to it, he cancels the old bill and draws a new bill along with the amount of interest on the drawing. This process is known as renewal of bill. Steps in renewal of bill. First is cancellation or dishonor of old bill, interest due on balance, drawing and acceptance of new bill, receiving and paying of part payment. Accounting treatment in the books of Drawer and Drawee. Responding entry. First transaction is cancellation of old bill or dishonor of bill. Responding entry in the books of Drawer. Drawee's account debit to bills receivable account or to bank account or to bill sent for collection account or to endorsees account. Being old bill cancelled for renewal. In the books of Drawee, bills payable account debit to drawers account, being our acceptance cancelled for renewal. Second transaction, interest due on balance amount. In the books of Drawer, Drawee's account debit to interest account, being interest due. In the books of Drawee, interest account debit to drawer's account, being interest due. Third transaction, receiving or paying part payment. Cash or bank account debit to drawee's account in the books of Drawer, being part payment received along with interest. Amount of interest will be added to this amount if interest is received along with part payment. In the books of Drawee, drawer's account debit to cash or bank account, being part payment made along with interest. Fourth transaction, drawing and acceptance of new bill. In the books of Drawer, the entry reflects Bills receivable account debit to drawings account. Amount of interest will be, first narration is being new bill drawn and acceptance received, and then amount of interest will be added to this amount if interest is receivable along with new bill. In the books of drawing, the entry shall be drawers account debit to bills payable account, being new bill accepted for the balance. Note. First is, whenever the bill is dishonored, the bank charges some amount. Bank charges some amount, and this amount is different in different banks because the amount is insufficient to honor the bill. In the account of drawing, for which the bill is dishonored or for any default on the part of drawing. So these charges are debited in the account of drawing. Second is retainment, means holding the bill till due date, and for this bills receivable account is credited. Third, if the bill is discounted, then bank account is credited. Fourth, if the bill is sent for collection to the bank, then on this account, bank account is credited. And finally, if the bill is endorsed, then endorses account is credited. Further adverting to alternate accounting treatment if interest is paid in cash immediately. First transaction, cancellation of the old bill. Corresponding entry in the books of drawer. Drawings account debit to bills receivable account, or to bank account, or to bill sent for collection account, or to endorses account, being old bill cancelled for renewal. And in the books of drawing, bills payable account debit to drawers account, being our acceptance cancelled for renewal. Second transaction, interest paid in cash along with part payment. In the books of drawer, entry reflects cash or bank account debit to drawings account to interest account, being part payment received along with interest. And in the books of drawing, drawers account debit, interest account debit to cash or bank account, being part payment made along with interest. Third transaction, new bill drawn for the balance and acceptance received. In the books of drawer, corresponding entry is bills receivable account debit to drawings account, being new bill drawn and acceptance received. In the books of drawing, drawers account debit to bills payable account, being acceptance given. Next term is retirement of bill under rebate. Paying of the bill before its maturity date. Rebate is the discount allowed by the drawer to the drawee if drawee makes the payment before the maturity date. When the drawee of the bill has funds at his disposal and makes a request to the drawer or holder to accept the payment of the bill before its maturity with some amount, with some discount, if the holder agrees to do so, is termed as retirement. Accounting treatment in the books of drawer and drawee. In the books of drawer, the corresponding entry is cash or bank account debit, rebate or discount account debit to bills receivable account, being bill retired and rebate allowed. In the books of drawee, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account to rebate or discount account, being our acceptance retired and rebate received. Let's turn to the last term, insolvency of drawee. When the drawee, that is acceptor of a bill, is unable to meet his liabilities on due date, the drawee become insolvent. In such a case, entries for the dishonor of the bill are passed in the books of drawer or holder and drawee of the bill. When a person or party is declared by court as insolvent or bankrupt, he is considered to be unable to pay his liabilities. It means the bill accepted by him will be naturally dishonored. When a person becomes insolvent, his private property, if he has any, is sold by the liquidator or appointed by the court. Liquidator appointed by the court. Something may be received from his state. Generally, the amount received from the state of insolvent party is less than the amount due from him. The unsatisfied balance is treated as bad debts. Drawer may receive the sum amount from the drawee state, same amount from the drawee state, which is called final dividend. Accounting treatment in the books of drawer and drawee. First transaction, cancellation of old bill. In the books of drawer, corresponding entry shall be drawee's account debit to bills receivable account or to bank account or to bill sent for collection account or to entrosses account, being old bill cancelled. In the books of drawee, bills payable account debit to drawer's account, being our acceptance cancelled. Second transaction, receiving final dividend and bad debts written off. In the books of drawer, the entry is cash or bank account debit, bad debts account debit to drawee's account, being final dividend received and bad debts written off. In the books of drawee, drawer's account debit to cash or bank account to deficiency account, being final dividend received and bad debts written off. As we have already seen in foregoing slide, that when the drawee becomes insolvent, his private estate is sold and the amount received in cash is final dividend and the non-received amount balance is bad debts and written off. Simultaneously, entry in the books of drawee is drawer's account debit to cash or bank account to deficiency account. The bad debts which is written off is deficiency for the drawee. So this entry is taken in the books of drawee and credited to deficiency account. In all the foregoing lectures, we have gone through all the theory as to retaining, discounting, endorsing, and sending the bill for the bank for collection, including renewal, retirement of bill, under rebate, and insolvency of drawing. I undertake and hope that all of you have understood the theory of the above terms, problems, and solutions comfortably. I thank all of you for your active presence and hearing. I also thank respected Principal Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir and Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mule sir for guidance, support, and faith. This I conclude the topic and my lecture. Thank you.